Sephora dupes at Dollar Tree? No, I am not kidding. All of the gift ideas this year are awesome, and you're gonna find so many hidden dupes. I've got you if you are filling a stocking with Sephora quality products. You know I'm all about quality.
Today's video is brought to you in part by HelloFresh.
This is a Touchland Spray hand sanitizer dupe.
They just dropped these in so many stores, and not only that, brand new is this hand sanitizer case. Be on the lookout for pink, red, and sparkle, the two scents that tons of stores have in stock. Like, I want you to be able to find this, are cucumber mint and watermelon. Name brand, these are $10 each, and the cases are $6. This together is $3. I think this is the best stocking stuffer video I have ever made. Just stick around, you will not regret watching. If I were to walk into Dollar Tree right now and needed a gift immediately, I'd go straight for their gift boxes. They just dropped these brand new boxes that I think look so Ralph Lauren and high end. And then I'd head to the bath section and I would grab some of their shower pads and loofahs. These are dupes of the Earth Therapeutics brand. They're gentle on your skin. I've used these for years and absolutely love them. I do not want to promote buying clutter. If you buy something, I want it to be something the recipient will love. That's exactly what this video is. And this next product is not even a dupe, and it is at so many stores. This Eco Tool Stone Roller. I've seen these for up to $10 in some stores. They're great massagers, great to keep in your car. These are amazing stocking stuffers, okay?
And I want to talk about the face masks and the hand masks. You can often find Freeman brand at Dollar Tree too. Under eye creams, face masks, these are great, and they really come out in December. So this is when you're gonna see the best of the year. It's the time to stock up.
Remember, everything is $1.25, including the 4-packs. So look for multi-packs right now. They have Freeman Whipped Eye Cream. This is a $10 product, and I love the Christmas sheet masks. I never want you overwhelmed in store, so when you see tons of items, here's what I want you to remember. Freeman brand is great. Look for the 4-packs and any Korean skincare. OK is an awesome brand. These retail for about $5 in other stores. This time of year, they'll be near the front of the store. They make incredible stocking stuffers. I get these all the time.
It's giving Sephora. It's giving yes. This is the hyaluronic acid one-shot mask. This is awesome if you have a really dry skin. They also have Annual, which is a Korean brand, and this is great.
Korean skincare is so healthy for your skin and trending everywhere. And don't you go anywhere. I've got tons of gifts coming up that aren't clutter for the men in your life, things that help you feel luxury on a budget, because I am all about that. And speaking of luxury on a budget, today's video is brought to you by HelloFresh, the best way to pamper yourself and make your life easier without waste. My favorite meal kit delivery service delivered right to my front door, no lines, no waiting, with everything I need to cook delicious meals for my family. Everything is perfectly portioned, no food waste, and there is no mental load of me having to think about what to cook every week. Like this week, we had premium bavette steak with truffled potatoes. It was delicious. And you know what y'all love? Free stuff, which is why I'm so excited to tell you that you get a free Zwillig 4-star chef's knife on your third box, which is $144.99 value, plus 10 free meals. And your first box shipped free with the code DIMEHFZWL. Make sure to use my code to get this deal before supplies run out. Offer valid while supplies last. Link below will automatically opt you into HelloFresh's best active offer if redeeming after the activation window. HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit. I hope you love it as much as I do. Be sure to claim this exclusive offer.
Okay, all right. I'm like trying to get this out because it's so good. The brand I want you to look out for at all Dollar Trees consistently is Spothecary. They have awesome scrubs. This one is a sparkling white sangria. I have seen a cocoa scrub. They have body washes.
I personally was a fan of the hot cocoa scrub. It smelled so good. And this is really a step up from Global Beauty Care. Be really careful when you're looking in this area because some of these items are marked Global Beauty Care. Those are not my favorite. I did not like the scent of these red velvet beads, though they were really cute. You want to look for Spothecary. They have name brand Monday body wash and these adorable little ear covers, which I think you would find in a gift set. This entire lot was $6. I think would make a great stocking. And I am packing these up to give to some special friends. Be sure to stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see where I take these. But putting together something for less than $10, you can get quality items like this one. Spa Luxury Foaming Hand Wash. This is single-handedly the best $1.25 if you just want one item. I love the rose scented one. And my best hack of 2025, at least the most recreated one, is to buy this retinol renewing double serum. And I don't use this on my face, but I use it on the back of my hands. At 40, I was really starting to notice some wrinkles, but using this daily, it gives moisture, and I think it's just really repaired and restored my hands. I love this one.
I've got you. If you are filling a stocking with Sephora quality products, you know I'm all about quality.
And I tell you what not to buy too. This Brazilian Soul Cream is just kind of gross, guys. It did not go very well. It's a dupe of the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Packaging is a 10 out of 10, but the product is not. Stick with Power Stick brand. Their post-shave cream, their hand wash, and even their mist. It is 10 out of 10 fantastic. The actual dupe of Sol de Janeiro. Body wash 10 out of 10, and they just dropped some Power Stick brand limited edition deodorants. These were great. They're aluminum free. I really like the Vanilla Dream as well as the Spothecary Vanilla Cream.
Another product flying off shelves, and again, all of these are $1.25, is this body lotion. This is the Berry Glowy. This is really great for a teen, a tween stocking stuffer. And in this gift section, don't think that there are not name brands, like not dupes, but actual name brands. There's a body scrub, and this is by Disney. This is the Alice in Wonderland body scrub. It comes in 3 different flavors or scents. Great product. These fly off shelves and they are awesome. This is the mini jade rollers, and they even have these gua sha. These are 2 great products. Can highly recommend, as good as what you're finding at Sephora or on Amazon.
I can highly recommend their jade rollers. They bring them back every year. But a brand new product that they just dropped are these onyx foot masks. They are awesome. And I will have you know that these retail for $5 and $6 at other stores. The cheapest I've seen them is $3.69. But you could put this together for some of the men in your life. And speaking of the men, these are the things that I would go for. I feel like men can be kind of hard to do stockings for. The Dove Men Care hand cream is awesome. It's a name brand. They have name brand toothpaste. The toothbrushes at Dollar Tree are great, as well as all of their dental floss. And I'm just saying, my husband has really dry skin, and he really likes the Neutrogena Hydrogel. This is a dupe. It is awesome. It's by the brand Extra Care. You buy it, you try it out, you talk about it on Christmas morning, pull it out of your stocking, say, do it out of dime, recommended it. This mini Vaseline is $4 at CVS. It makes a great stocking stuffer. And for the men, I love Docker's socks. Their fast charging cables are great. You can put together a great stocking, even for somebody who doesn't love products, with things that they'll use that aren't clutter. Some bonus buys, especially for your guys, is this convertible shower caddy. I loved this one. And these 2 boom speakers. These start at $20 from Walmart. They're a trusted brand and only $7 at Dollar Tree. And I want to talk about the brand Dermacil. It's around year round, and here's what I'd recommend.
Dermacil is another brand you're going to find at Dollar Tree. My 3 favorites are their toner. This is an incredible product. You can use this on your chest, your neck as well. And I also like their cleansers. This is a scrubbing cleanser to purify and smooth. I like to use this on my hands and on like my chest area as well. The Extra Care Micellar Water is a dupe of Garnier's.
This is not one I've personally tried, but I bought it to check out. This is significant savings, and I hear it's great for sensitive skin. I'd love to hear your experience. Dermacil is great. The multivitamin eye roller I really like. This one is really great to wake up in the morning. I love as the metal touches my skin. And some of the smaller pots of Dermacil are going to be higher quality. This whipped recovery cream is great.
I just love this product. This is Spa Luxury Whipped Shave Cream. You get a lot. It's $1.25, and I feel like anything whipped is really flying off shelves at Sephora right now. Face lotions, etc. I love this one. Oh, maybe you didn't get your little Starbucks bear that went super viral, but you want this little bear. This is so cute. I love him. Name brands at Dollar Tree can be found in unmarked boxes. So if you want L'Oreal, look for the unmarked boxes, and then the bottom of the product will show you the name brand.
Anytime you see this white packaging, this is something that shouldn't be in Dollar Tree. For example, this $18 Mineral Fusion nail polish was in white packaging at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Unmarked packaging in other stores usually doesn't mean anything, but here it does. This is a Rimmel Jelly Blush, which is awesome. I have found CoverGirl.
They also have OPI in smaller sizes. These are really quality products. This is the same thing that's at Sephora, $4.25.
It's crazy what other places are charging for 4 of these, and don't miss the Dollar Tree Cuticle Oil. It rivals what you're gonna find at name brand stores. I really like the one with the rose quartz inside. It works so well on my nails. Look at this amazing stocking you can put together for literally less than $10. Leave a question or a comment below. I'll respond to as many as I can, but if you've seen something at your local Dollar Tree, share with us so we can try to find it. Their beauty blenders are awesome, and they brought Marie Claire products in, like fully stocked. I love the winged eyeliner eyeliner, the eyelash growth serum, and their liquid blush. I'd love to know if you've tried these, and their brush sets are fantastic. The pancake style makeup blending brushes are trending at Sephora right now. They're expensive. You can find them at Dollar Tree and they are wonderful. As well as this atomizer, these are really expensive in other stores.
If you're looking for name brand hair items, these just dropped, these gorgeous clips. The packaging is nice. You don't even have to take them off of the packaging. Such a great spot to come. You guys know how much I love this area.
The Sophie hair ties are awesome. These are the jelly ones, and a creative way to pack these all up is to go to the food storage container section, and you can grab a few fun finds, maybe lip gloss, hair clips, hair ties, put these inside. I think this makes a great teacher gift idea, and this is an awesome idea for a teen or a tween. I like to add some stickers to mine just for some extra fun. You can reuse this or even keep it with you when you're on the go.
Every product you see featured that I'm purchasing in this video is being donated to Ronald McDonald House. They are an incredible charity. It was such an honor this year to go and decorate a Christmas tree in their upstairs room. But lots of Ronald McDonald Houses has lists online, so you can see what donations are needed. And this is a great spot to come if you know what the amazing dupes are, so you're actually getting quality products. A lot of teens stay at Ronald McDonald House too and love having an amazing gift for Christmas time.
Ronald McDonald House provides meals and a place to stay for families with a child in the hospital, and they offer their services completely free. It's always a local charity I love to support, and if you're looking for a place to support this season, Ronald McDonald House is one of my favorites. This candy tree was so fun to put together. All of these ornaments were only a couple of dollars a piece. I ended up getting them from Walmart, and I thought it went so well with all of these spa items. They're a great place to support this year. Be sure to check out HelloFresh, link below. This is one of their most exclusive offers. Get excited. I think you're gonna love it, especially with this incredible free gift while supplies last.
My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.